Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recover mode on TECNO Spark 20p. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And when you see no command, you have to press power button and then click volume up button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume button to navigate and power button to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.